Recorded. Okay. Now, again, we have 4, 10, and 5. So who can tell me what the common denominator is for 4, 10, and 5? What is it?
40? 20.
20 is better. 40 is good. 20 is the best. All right, so we're going to put a 20 there. So I multiply the first fraction by what? What am I multiplying the first fraction by? 5. Multiply the second fraction by 2. Multiply the third fraction by. All right. Misha, you would say something if you don't know, right?
Yeah.
All right. Come on. Anybody else who's trying to get better? All right. You got to speak up if you don't know something. All right. So now this was negative 15, negative 6, and positive 12. Now you just have to do good with the integers here. All right, so this negative 15 and negative 6 is negative 21, and then negative 21 plus 12 is, good job, negative 9 out of 20. Negative 9 out of 20. All right? Any issues? All right, here we go. Next. All right, now we go to division. All right, now division is the same as multiply by the reciprocal, but the first thing you're supposed to notice is we have an improper fraction. I mean, we have a mixed fraction, so we need to turn it to an improper, right? So this is going to be negative 5/12. I'm just going to go ahead and write divided by, and now 9 times 2 plus 2 is 20 over 9. Now, does everybody notice the two negatives, right? So the two negatives automatically make a positive. So I just go ahead and eliminate those. That way I don't have a problem. All right, now 5/12 division becomes a, and then I take the reciprocal. Good job, 9 over 20. Now it's just about reducing. All right, it's about reducing. 5 goes into 5, 5 goes into 20, 3 goes into 9, 3 goes into 12, 4. Then again, multiplying straight across, 3 out of 16. All right, now remember, give yourself a check if you know as you're going by, all right? If you made a little mistake, make yourself a little note, all right? That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're supposed to do. All right, here we go with number 8. Now, are we adding or subtracting? Subtracting, good. So let's go ahead and do that. 7 and 5/6 minus 5 and 3/4. So what's my common denominator? Yes, that is a common denominator. How about 12? Right, it's okay. It's all right. So here, let's go. Put a 12 down. So now I have to multiply the first fraction by 2. So that becomes 10 over 12. And the second one by, and that becomes 9 out of 12. All right, now we just do normal subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2, 10 minus 9 is 1. Always double check if it's positive or negative. In this case, it is what? Positive. All right, let's knock out number 9. Again, we are multiplying here. Oh, I'm sorry, go.
How do you tell, like, if it's like a normal fraction, if it's going to be negative?
Okay, that's a good question. Come on now. Good for you. This is positive 7, and this is negative 5. There's more positives than negatives.
So we'd do the same thing if it was just a normal
Yeah.
fraction? All right, thank you.
I think so. I think I know what you mean. All right, we got lots of practice, though. So you keep asking me if you're not sure. All right, number 9, we got to convert. Always, we must convert to improper fractions. So 4 1/3 is the same as 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 over 3 times 13 times 2 plus 1 is, and then plus 1.
Oh, 27.
27 over 13.
I didn't do that. I just did that.
Nice, huh? And now let's reduce. This one's nice. 13 goes into 13 once. 3 goes into 3. 3 goes into 27.
12. No, not 12.
9. Final answer,
9 over 1.
9 over 1, which is the same as 9. Double check, is it positive or negative?
Is it positive?
Definitely a positive. Yeah, because they're both positive, right? They're both positive. All right? You got a question or you just stretching?
What do you take points off if you just left it at 9 over 1?
I want you to write 9. You with me? No, I don't, but you're to an age where you listen. All right, so you're not going to leave it as 9 over 1. All right, number 10, we have division, and they're mixed fractions. We got to convert everything to
That's improper.
improper. All right, so here we go. 4 times 3 plus 3 is what? Thank you. 4 times 3 plus 3 is what?
12.
Wow, 4 times 3 plus 3 is what?
12, 16, 14, 15, 4.
Wow, some of you guys were in trouble.
I literally said 15 over 4.
Oh, did you? I didn't hear you.
Yes.
15 over 4.
What's in the
All right, divided by, now what?
time?
Divided by what, guys? 10 over 3. All right, now we're doing the reciprocal. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Cross cancel. What am I canceling?
10.
Right?
So 10 becomes 2 and 15 becomes 3.
Beautiful.
And then you have 9 over 8.
Is that the final answer?
You can simplify.
Is that the final answer? What is the final answer?
Or
No.
Negative.
Don't forget the negative, guys. If you write 1 1/8, I'm not mad, but as I said, we can get more advanced. We just do improper. We don't do mixed. All right? So again, always double check, please, for me tomorrow, your signs. Double check your signs.
I have a question.
All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Now they're starting to get a little bit longer. Okay, again, we got to change 2 2/3. What is that going to be? Help me. What's 2 2/3, guys?
Oh, it's 8 over 3.
8 over 3. Division to what? Multiplication, and then do the 14 over 3 times what?
7 over 2.
Yeah, 7 over 2. Please participate. Kind of join me, all right? Tell me, all right?
Excuse me?
You don't have to hurry or anything. Just be normal about it. All
Can you
right?
not hear me?
And if you're making a mistake, you got to tell me.
He
So what
cannot
can we
hear
reduce?
us. Hello?
I don't think he can hear us.
Oh,
What can we
that
reduce?
sucks.
We're
Yep.
14 and 2. Beautiful.
Now let's see.
Okay.
Mr. Stroud.
Okay. All right.
Mr.
What
Stroud.
else can we reduce?
3, or you can't do that.
Yeah, I'll do
Can't reduce anything, right? It always has to be one above and one
Yes.
below in order to reduce. You with me?
Stroud.
So now, why is this one a little bit annoying?
I don't think he can hear
3
us.
times 3 times 1 is what?
9.
You guys have to multiply
I wish you
8
could see
times
our
7 times
screen.
7. Let's go right now. 8 times 7 times 7, quickly. 8 times 7 is what?
I think this will work. Man, my mic.
56. Now we're doing 56 times
Stroud?
7. What did you say it was?
Here.
Why would you
Mr.
think you
Stroud?
did it wrong?
Oh, he can't hear us.
That isn't gonna work.
Well, no, I'm just saying the multiplication. Come on, you're good at multiplying. Don't worry about that. If I said what's 56 times 7, everybody should be able to come up and tell me that's what? Yeah, 392. All right, so we're going to put a 392 down. Now, go back. Is it positive or negative, guys?
Mr. Stroud.
Positive or negative?
Mr.
Positive, right? And again, the reason it's positive because there are what?
Mr. Stroud.
2 negatives. Come on, 2 negatives. All right, is everybody happy with this? Yes, sir. Evan, what do you need, buddy? Just jump in whenever you have a question.
Can you hear us?
Can you hear us? We're talking, but yeah, I don't think.
Evan, are you okay?
Mr. Stroud, can you hear
Oh,
us?
I can't hear again. No, I can't.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Mm.
Sorry, I cannot for some reason. I cannot hear you guys. Okay, great. Can you hear me now? I just turned up my volume more.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yeah, we've been able to hear you.
Hello. Yeah, he still can't hear us.
What's the question? Negative times a negative. Negative times a negative is a negative. Right? Negative times a negative is a negative. I'm sorry, negative times a positive. I'm sorry. I'm worried about the chat. Okay? Positive times a negative is a negative. Thank you, buddy. Sorry about that, guys. Again, I have no idea what the problem is. All right? Here we go. Now, number 12. Again, another long one. All right, it's okay. All right, here we go. 7 times 7 plus 6. Good job. 55 over 7 times, what do we got? 33 plus 9. Somebody said it. 40. Yeah, 42 over 11. And then 7 over 25. Now, our final answer is going to be positive or negative? Negative. I like that. All right, now let's try to reduce, all right? It's kind of nice because they're easy to reduce. All right? Logan, what are we doing? Yes, this is the test. You've known me for enough time now. The test and the review are exactly the same, right? Always. Always.
Like the same answer?
Go, Logan, what?
So, 55 and 11.
Yes.
5 and 1.
You're good. 1 and 5. Now what?
I did, you can do the same. You can do 5 and 25.
Yes.
Which is 5 and 1.
Now what?
7 and 42 can be 1 and 6.
Yep.
And I think that's it.
Final answer.
42 and 45.
Yeah, that's good. That wasn't that hard, guys. Yeah, that wasn't that hard, right? That's not hard at all, guys. All right. Here we go. Let's do 13. All right. Adding or subtracting, guys?
Subtracting.
Subtracting. So let's do this. 9 and 3/5. 7 and 1/6. Common denominator is what?
30.
I think he's right. 30. So what am I doing this first one by?
6.
And the second one by?
5.
Okay, so 6 times 3 is? And then 5 times 1. There we go, guys. How we doing? Now we're subtracting and we get 2 and 13 over. Now remember, this is the time where you go back and double check, is it positive or negative? Does everybody agree with me it's negative?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
On the
What?
Wait. Well, why is it negative?
Because from the original, there are more negatives, right?
But then you can flip it and then you get negative.
You see what I did, right? Because I knew we had to subtract, so I didn't want to mess it up. I just want to subtract them and go back and say, is it
Yeah, that's
positive?
how I always do it.
I think that's the best way. Okay? All right. Oh, 14, what was it?
8 1 4.
I know. We're all right. 8 1/4. Does anybody have a question with why it's 8 1/4? Remember, it's like 9 pizzas and you eat 3/4 of one. Right? Is everybody good? Logan, you had a question, right?
Oh, I was like, what do you answer that to the
Oh, okay. So I'm happy with that. All right, now be careful.
Hello?
Yeah, 15. Let's do it. Adding or subtracting? Adding. So here we go. Let's put it up. Are you going to put the 7 or the 8 first? Yeah, it doesn't matter, but I like the 8 first. What's common denominator? 24. So now multiply by. Yes. Well, just tell me what's 8 plus 7, because you said you were adding them. Right. Which is the same as 16 and 11 over 24. And then you just have to remember to make it what? Yeah. Yes. Because remember, you did 24 goes into 35 once with 11 left over. Right? Yeah. You with me? And then that 1 that's here is added to the 15, which makes 16. All right? Negative 16 and 11 over 24. You okay with that? All right, let's do the next one now. Another long one, but that's okay. What? Yeah. Mhm. All right, 16, convert everything to improper. 8 times 3 plus 1 is 25 over 8 times 15 times 2 plus 2, 32 over 15 times what? 9 over 5, the reciprocal, right? Everybody okay with that? All right, now what we're going to do is, tell me how to reduce this.
Well, no, you reduce the 15 to 3, and then 25 to
Yes, I like that. Now what?
the 18 comes over 1, and the 13 comes over 4.
I'm good.
And then you reduce the 5 to 1, and the 5 to 1. And then the 30 comes over 1, and the 9
Final answer.
12.
That is exactly
And then
right.
it's 12.
Now we have to go back and double check. You're right. It is what?
Negative.
Negative 12. Good job. Yes, sir. You have to be able to tell me what number goes into each number. That's what you're doing. Okay? All right, moving forward. Adding or subtracting on 7. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Go. I'm sorry.
So, you know,
Come on, Misha, go.
so does the reciprocal always get comes after like the division sign? So it wouldn't be like after the multiplication, just everything after.
No, it's always whatever fraction is just to the right of the division.
If there's 2 divisions.
Yes,
Okay,
if there were 2 divisions, you would take the reciprocal of both. Okay.
yeah.
All right, good. Perfect. All right, let's knock out 17. Adding or subtracting, guys? Subtracting. All right, now I haven't put this on the homework, so make sure you're with me. I thought this was easy, but some kids just messed it up last time. What's 3/5 minus 3/5? Yeah, they cancel out, right? These guys completely cancel. So 10 minus 7 is just what? Now, and it would be -3. That's how easy. Everybody good? That's a nice one. All right, here we go. Let's check out this one. Oh, this one's just, you should know it. Tell us. Yes, that's correct. But, yes, very good. Because they're both negative, you're just combining them to negative 11 and 5/8. All right, that's good. All right, very good. Yes.
Are you adding because they're both negative?
Yep, you're adding because they're both negative. Very good. All right, come on, guys. Let's keep it up. Adding or subtracting here? Subtracting. Common denominator? Thank you, whoever said 36. Multiply the first one by 3. Multiply the second one by, then it becomes, yes. Now, can I subtract?
Yeah, but now.
Have to what? Borrow. So the 5 becomes a 4, and then the 15 becomes a 51. Right, that's good, though. That's right. Now you can subtract. Now what's 51 minus 16? Come on, guys. Tell me what it is. I don't want you to guess. Wow, come on. 51 minus 16. Please stop telling me. Thank you. 35. Do the work, guys. 35 over 36. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. Now, is it positive or negative? Negative. Thank you. Everybody okay? Any issues? All right, here we go. 20. Now, here's where some people had difference of opinions. All right. What is 7 minus 3 1/2? What is 7 minus 3 1/2?
4 and then a half.
What do you think? What do you think? Misha. So again, watch me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 pizzas. It's honestly, come on, because everybody should be able to look at that and just say, everybody should have been able to say that's just 3 1/2. You ate how many? You ate 3, right? Then I ate another half a piece. So I came over here and chowed down on this one. How many do I have left? 3 1/2. Visually, you should be able to do that. That's right. Very good. That's another way to think about it. Right? That's right. Exactly it. All right. Very nice. So now I have 3 1/2 minus 5 2/5. Am I adding or subtracting? Yep, you're right. 5 2/5 minus 3 1/2. Common denominator is? Multiply the first fraction by, second fraction by. Are we allowed to subtract these right now?
No, you can't do that.
Borrow, thank you. So the 5 becomes a, and the 4 becomes a. Now when we subtract, good job. And 4 minus 3 is negative. All right, just make sure you're good. All right, here we go, 21. Back to multiplication. All right, so what do we got? 13 over 3. Final answer is going to be positive or negative? Positive, good. So what am I going to reduce?
So you have to 27, 23, 27. And you're going to take 13. Yeah. That's like 2.
That's right. Final answer.
And you get 9.
There you go. 9/2. That's not bad. All right, not bad at all. All right. Let's everybody knock out 22. Ready? Yeah, no, you go ahead and tell me. Tell me. Just tell me what it is. No, just tell me what this is converted to an improper. Yes, 29/8 divided by. Good job. Now what? Does anything reduce? This one's annoying. All right, 8 times 8 is, however, 29 times 3. Yes. Well, let's double check. Yes, I'm proud of you for that. I almost forgot. Negative 87/64, guys. Yes. That's right. That's the other way. That's exactly how I was going to show you to. Multiplying by 9 is easy. All right, here we go. 4 and 1/6. What do I have to
You
do?
have to make that improper.
Yes, so what is it?
25.
Yep. 25/6 times 2/3. What can reduce?
6. 2.
2 becomes a,
1.
6 becomes a
3.
final
It's
answer.
25.
Right. 25/9. All right, hopefully you guys feel like this is just old now, that you're good at it. All right, hopefully that's what you feel. All right, 24, another kind of annoying one. Yep, all improper. Go, Alan. 25/6. Good. I'm going to leave it division. Yeah, that's right. So now I'm going to rewrite it. Yep. Uh-huh.
Oh, and then 5 becomes 1. And then the other 5 becomes 1.
Which is the same as. Very good.
And it's positive.
Mhm.
Negative.
Double check it. I almost forgot. Thank you again. How many negatives?
No negatives. 3. No, 3.
3 negatives.
Positive.
3 negatives, so it would be what?
Negative.
Negative. Agreed? All right. Let's go. I'm feeling good. Uh-oh.
Can I do this one?
Tell me.
Let's make something proper.
Go.
So you have 7/3.
Good.
You have, you might have 19/7. And then you would have 19/7. And then your answer is going to be negative.
Negative or positive?
Negative.
Why?
Because there's 2 negatives. Gonna be positive.
Yeah, 2 negatives always make a positive. Very good. 2 negatives make a
7
positive.
Go into 7 1.
Good.
Go to 2. And then 19.
Ugh. So now everybody's got to do 19 times 19. Go. And what's 3 times 7, guys? What's 3 times 7? 21. Everybody do 19 times 19 now. What'd you get? 361. Anybody else get 361?
1 second.
We're waiting 1 second.
I did. I forgot he can't hear me.
Everybody okay with 361 over 21?
398. Wait.
9 times 9 is what?
19 times 9 is what?
Well, I'm saying if you do,
I got 361. I got 398.
well, 9 times 9 ends in a 1.
I got 361.